Asun! So I get this gift from my Filipino friend or Filipino neighbors. It's actually very cool, by the way. It's from Camille or Miss Joy and from Miss Leah. This is from Miss Leah, and we're gonna try this too. First, I'm gonna try this. It's Ding Dong. Ding Dong. It's like a mixed peanut. Let's try it. It's from Filipino. All is like originally from Filipino. Sorry. Oh look. So this is like, I actually already ate a lot of them, so I didn't record them, but now I have a chance to record them. Oh. It's like a small amount of nuts. It's like mixed nuts. I think I'll tell me what kind of nut is this in the comment down below. Just like a lot of nuts. There's like a we call it in Indonesia polong, and some peanut, and some we call it in koro. It's a koro beans. It actually tastes good. Yum. Now I'm gonna try this. Flat tops. I think it's a kind of chocolate or something. Oh yeah, it's real. It's chocolate. It's like a chocolate milk. Have you tried this? How does it taste? That's quite interesting. It's basically made from buttermilk, powdered sugar, vanilla. It's just good. I never tried this. I think we're gonna try it. Ooh, it's also a chocolate. Oh no, it's... Let's try. It's like this. It's more like nutty. It's very nutty and with flavor. We're gonna try this. Goldilocks. It's made from cashew, it says. It tastes good. That's literally like milk. The last one, the cheesecake. Ooh, look at this cheesecake. Oh, let's try. And it smells so cheesy as well. Thank you so much, Camille. Thank you for sending me this gift. There's also a gumbo. Last one. Let's try the gumbo. Oop, there you are. Let's try. It's super asin. Super gumbo asin. Okay. Asin. It's very asim. In Philippines, asim is asim, but in Indonesia, salty is called asin. And there's a lot of similarity between Filipino language and Indonesian. And it's like one of them. It's so asim. It's so salty. Asim means salty. Right. But it's good. So actually doesn't know how to make a gum or a balloon out of gum. Maybe I will learn later. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope you like this video. Give it a like if you like this video, and yeah, subscribe for more. And hopefully I will try more foods or more mukbang. Thank you for watching.